Welcome to MAXhyd Corp. The leading authority in cosmetics in Alden private label manufacturing. Our commitment to reliability and cutting-edge systems has earned us prestigious ISO certifications 22716, 9001, 14001, guaranteeing unparalleled quality in our production processes. What sets MAXhyd Corp apart is our groundbreaking maxillized formulation, revolutionizing the beauty industry. Today, we proudly introduce our second-generation hydrogel mask, a true game changer. MAXhyd Hydrogel Mask is meticulously crafted with a selection of premium ingredients. Experience the power of 7 types of complex hyaluronic acid for intense hydration, hydrolyzed collagen for nourishment, and centella asiatica extract for soothing effects. Our mask boasts green-grade ingredients, ensuring safety and efficacy. Clinical studies have unveiled the remarkable benefits of our hydrogel mask. Users luxuriate in an invigorating cooling sensation as their skin temperature drops by an impressive 6 degrees Celsius. Its exceptional tensile strength allows it to stretch up to 12 inches, while maintaining perfect adherence. Enjoy unparalleled comfort with our mask's excellent adhesion. It stays securely in place, even when you tilt your head. Plus, it's fully biodegradable, dissolving residue-free when disposed of in hot water. Our hydrogel mask goes beyond surface benefits. Through its unique formulation, it enhances active ingredient secretion, deeply saturating up to 7 sheets of oil paper when pressed. Experience a new level of radiance with our mask's highlight transmittance. Let natural light pass through without obstruction, revealing your skin's true brilliance. Witness the incredible transformation of a 54-year-old male participant who used our hydrogel mask for 2 weeks. Despite initially displaying poorly managed skin at the age of 65, his complexion appeared rejuvenated, resembling that of a 59-year-old. Noticeable improvements include increased radiance, reduced brown pigmentation, and enhanced overall skin quality. Moreover, our hydrogel mask effectively reduces melanin levels, diminishes wrinkles, and minimizes pore size and sebum secretion, as confirmed by the study. Rest assured, our hydrogel mask is gentle and non-irritating, receiving a skin irritation rating of 0.0. It provides intense moisturization, soothing effects, and a non-stimulating experience. Enjoy ultimate comfort with our mesh-free design. Countless fifth reviews and glowing testimonials from satisfied customers validate the exceptional quality of our hydrogel mask. MAXhyd Corp, a trusted name responsible for renowned brands like Ixoderm, Skin Culture Actiderm, and Din64 Biogel. Embark on a transformative skincare journey with MAXhyd Corp. Discover a new realm of excellence. Let us be your ultimate beauty partner.